Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Anyway, today I will try to do a simple tutorial for editing the video without watermark using KineMaster apps. Yeah, free. Tutorial guys, I'm using other phone, my husband phone. So about the KineMaster apps, it's most of the apps that new vlogger in YouTube using this as for their video editor. So when you upload that one, yeah, it's already installed in Tom's phone. So we will try to open it. When you will do video using this app, have watermark on the top. Like we will just try to get like one of the picture. This is our picture. We will just click this OK. See, when you play that one, did you see this watermark on the top? Yeah, here on the top, that one, like that one. So when you press that one to edit, so it's have payment here, right? So if you say 7 days trial, then it will automatically renew when you, and it's $39.99. So about no thanks that one. So I will try to save this one to for later comparison of the video. Okay, I will save that one. So this KineMaster app, once you download this from Google Play, you cannot remove the watermark free. So I will show you how to remove this watermark here when using KineMaster app. Okay, so we will go to the browser, your favorite browser anyway, any favorite browser. So any favorite browsers guys that you are really using, I will use this Google. So search easy market. Yeah, you just search that one like this. So as you can see, this one, easy market crack apps games mode for Android, like this, and easy pick like that. So we will try to click this one like this. We'll just wait until internet is very slow. Welcome to the Philippines anyway. Loading. So as you can see, this one, right, it's look like this one. So you can see here, have download. You just press this one and don't, never mind that one, ignore this one. So just click OK. So it starts downloading here. Then you will wait, this will be downloaded. Then you can find your downloaded apps on your downloads in your phone. So we'll just wait until it will be totally downloaded here on the phone. So I changed my internet, so so a little bit faster now. So you will just wait that one until it will be downloaded like this. In this AC market, you cannot, how to say, you cannot you cannot download this one on Google Play. So as you can see here, it's successful, it's complete download already. So we will find the download part. You go back to your home, to your phone, and I will say this is not my phone, so where is the download? If I can find here, see, as you can see, those here, this one, download. So I will just find, you see this one, you can see this in the downloaded, so we will just open this one like this. So it starts, it goes here, as you can see. You will just click install, yeah, like that. Yeah, it's installing. We will just wait until it will. So it's installed already, so it's scanning now. So we will just say open up here, same as depend on your phone. Yeah, like as you can see, this one AC market like this. So please allow, you just like what you can see here, please allow Easy Market to accessible to media. You just click OK. Allow. It's difficult to the shades of the light. It's so yeah. You just click allow, allow like that. So it's look like this already, guys. So since AC Market is same as a Google Play Store, so but not all application you can download here. So we will search our apps here. We will search KineMaster. It's here like this. As you can see here, it's installed already, right? Installed already. So we will go back to the menu, because remember we download KineMaster. We will go back to the main page of the phone, and the KineMaster that we download on the Google Play is, we will uninstall that one here, this one. So you just uninstall this one, yeah, uninstall. Then you go back to Easy Market like here. So KineMaster like this. As you can see here, this part, you will just click which version you want to download in your phone. So I will choose this one. So I will choose this one here, like then download. You just click the version you want, then download. Then it starts downloading now here, the version you choose, which is there, like that. So we will wait that this will finish, to it will complete downloading to your phone. Then we can check if this app Easy Market will help you to remove the watermark for free. So just continue watching if you want to learn how to remove the watermark using KineMaster photo and video editing for your video. So we will just wait until it will download it and completely installed to your phone. Yeah, like that. It's 90%. Yeah, like this. So it's complete installing. So same process as you can see, you need to install, right? Once you download, you need to install like this. Yeah, then just click allow. After that one, just allow, all allow, so that you can, the application can access to all your photos and videos. So since it's installing, we will wait, it will really install to your phone. And scanning, our phone is like just scanning, yeah, like that. So as you can see, you can open here, yeah, oops, we try, or it's automatic will be shown here. Remember that we deleted already the one we installed at Google Play. So this KineMaster is from this AC Market. Then we try to use now if it's really help to remove the watermark. Okay, you just allow, yeah, allow. Remind me later. Anyway, this one, guys, you need to allow this to your phone later, so that this apps of this KineMaster is really run fine. It will not hang, it will not like that. So I will just, it will remind me later, yeah, like that. So anyway, this is the KineMaster now that it's from AC Market. So we will try to make video. It's like that. It's some yeah, we'll try to edit a photo or either video from your phone using the KineMaster apps from AC Market. AC Market. I will use this solar, our solar. So we will just try. So we will just check. So as you can see, watermark of KineMaster apps is not even on the top. So we will try to play this one. If it's really the watermark's gone, we'll try like this. See, as you can see, no watermark at all now. See, like this. Then I will compare. So since there's no more watermark, so this AC Market helped to remove the watermark of KineMaster for free. So we'll try to save this one, and I will check the gallery. So I will go to the gallery, the one I made a video edited from KineMaster in Google Play. We will try to play this one. This is the one, right? I use different pictures so that it really identifies. So as you can see, have like that. As you can see, that one, KineMaster. Here, I will Yeah, na ko ni. Kaya dako. Yeah. Yeah, as you can see this one, right? This is the one that, yeah, I edited for the first time. So, we will check the video that we made from KineMaster from EC Market. This is the one. So we try to play this. Yeah. So that's the one. So no more watermark for that one there. See? So hope this tutorial helps you guys. And if you're not subscribed for my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe and hit likes and comments down. If you have any question, just comments down. Thank you for watching, guys. God bless.